We see a lot of diversity around us. We all look different. We also differ in terms of the language we speak, our cultural backgrounds, the religious rituals we observe, and of course, there are many other aspects of diversity. India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. Even the kinds of work we do are different. We have different professions. Some are doctors, some teachers, some painters, journalists, engineers. Besides, people living in rural areas have significantly different lifestyle as compared to people living in urban areas. In cities, people seldom grow their own vegetables and grains. Instead, they depend on the market to buy all the food and other goods that they need. Geographically also, we see a lot of diversity. On the one hand, we have cold hilly mountains. On the other hand, we have hot deserts as well. Then we have regions near sea and also plains and forests. But interestingly, India's diversity has always been recognized as a source of its strength. When the British ruled India, women and men from different cultural, religious, and regional backgrounds came together to oppose them. India's freedom movement had thousands of people of different backgrounds in it. They worked together to decide joint actions. They went to jail together and they found different ways to oppose the British. Even today, people coming from different states like Kerala, Bengal, Maharashtra, or Gujarat proudly call themselves as Indians. States are there for administrative convenience, not as barriers. In his book, The Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru says that Indian unity is not something imposed from the outside, but rather it was something deeper and within its fold. The widest tolerance of belief and custom was practiced, variety acknowledged, and even encouraged. It was Nehru who coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe the country. It's not that we don't have clashes, but a democratic country like India is always open to find solutions. That's how we feel like a family. We are secular, we believe in equality, we embrace diversity, and that's what makes us incredible. So, diversity is not about differences, but about variety. Imagine we get same food every day, similar dresses, same people, same surrounding. I'm sure it would be difficult and boring too. That's how diversity makes our country or this whole world exciting and adventurous. So embrace diversity.